Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to set upload default for titles, description, visibility, and tags. Please consider subscribing. Open your browser and search youtube.com. Go to your profile icon. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click on Settings. Go to Upload Defaults. Please type the title, description, visibility, and tags that you want for all videos you upload to have. And you can change it while uploading. To separate tags, please use comma. Let's see how it is appearing. As you can see, the upload default is set. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.